Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Golf Clash account. Deleting your Golf Clash account is a permanent action and that will erase all of your game progress and data. If you're sure you'd like to delete your account, watch till the end of the video. First of all, open up the Golf Clash application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page of Golf Clash, tap on the gear button at the top left. This will bring up the settings menu. Under Account, tap the Manage button right next to Secured Account option. Now you will be able to see the Delete Account option. Tap on Delete Account in red and then confirm that you'd like to delete your account by typing in this number provided on the screen. Make sure to type down the number as it is and click on Delete. Soon after you tap Delete, you will then be able to delete your account. For the data removal, it'll take up to 7 days and your account will be deleted permanently for Golf Clash. Please note that once your account is deleted, all associated data including game progress, purchases and achievements will be permanently lost and cannot be recovered. Ensure that you have considered this decision carefully before proceeding. So that's how you easily delete your Golf Clash account. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.